Live in the heart of the financial district, where this unprecedented storm continues to hammer the skyscrapers. Officials are...
As you can see, the wave has engulfed the entire harbor. The destruction is immense, with boats being tossed around like toys.
As you can see behind me, the situation here on the mountain is deteriorating rapidly. This mud flow is growing in intensity.
Major development here. The central canopy has just completely buckled and collapsed. We are urging everyone to stay clear of the area. As you can see behind me, the mudslide is gaining speed. This is an unprecedented event, and residents are urged to evacuate immediately.
As you can see, the mud is right upon us. The ground is shaking violently. This is a catastrophic failure of the slope. Storm surge is upon us. That wave just decimated the main pier. I've never seen anything like this. As you can see behind me, the crosswind corridor is tearing through the hillside. We've seen several roofs lifted completely off their foundations.
The scale of this phenomenon is incredible, John. It's pulling mist hundreds of feet into the air, and there is no sign of it slowing down.
Thank you for following this story.
Thank you, we appreciate the
Don't
help.
forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread green.
A critical update on Hurricane Maria. The storm has intensified to a Category 4, and a mandatory evacuation is now in effect for the coastal region.
As you can see behind me, the winds are still very strong, making conditions hazardous for rescue crews. We will continue to provide updates as we receive them.
The data clearly indicates a rapid intensification due to the sustained high ocean heat content.
Direct all ground teams to the red zones immediately. Priority is medical aid and establishing comms in the coastal sectors. Here is the food package and water for your family.
Thank you very much. We are grateful for the help.
We need to prioritize the patients waiting for screening. Please guide them to the far end of the tent.
Understood. I'll start moving them now. All right there. Push it in firm. Okay, got the connection secured. Looks good from here.
Still standing.
We made it.
Look, Papa, our house.
It will be okay. We are home now. ahead and plug it in right here, sir. We have plenty of power.
Much appreciated. It's good to know it still works.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to school. It's great to see you all. Heads up, throwing the line. Secure. All right, let's get this unloaded.
Great work, everyone. Let's move the remaining boxes to the staging area, and remember to use the tape dispensers provided.
All right, let's confirm the revised evacuation routes. Page 42, please. We need to ensure clear communication with the regional teams.
Drone airborne. Proceeding to waypoint Charlie for terrain scan.
Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Thank you for following this story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread.